Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA also a little bit of upside yesterday. Nothing too noteworthy yet, however. I think the first micro resistance level that is going to be meaningful here on the ADA chart, that's the 27-cent level. We've been talking about that. It's where I've got that green line. That's a key level to watch, 27 cents. Getting above it could push the price, first of all, into this next, you could say, pivot zone in this target area that we've got on the chart for this E wave of an even larger triangle. We've been talking about that really more than enough in the last few months, really. We've been tracking this triangle. Forecast was sideways until the triangle is complete. We're now at a point where we're basically in the last steps of this Elliott wave triangle, if it is one. But certainly I think the wave count guided as well, but not too much happened, especially in the last few weeks and actually months. The market has really just been trading sideways, extremely boring. And looking at this structure here, we could still say that we've got an overall Elliott wave triangle, yeah, A, B, C, D, E in small. And as long as the price doesn't break above 27 cents, we should come down. And however, we need a break below 23.7 cents to confirm. So we've got a range here. And the range is defined between 23.7 cents and 27. A break above 27 can take us out of this range in the white wave count higher into this region between 30 to 34. And then we need to see how the structure is going to look like in there. Yeah, it's not that we say, okay, it definitely will go down from there. This is currently what the wave count would suggest, but we need to see how the price is going to react to that pivot point, okay? Has ADA already bottomed? I can tell you we don't know that yet. It's too early to say. It's currently not the assumption because it's not evident in the charts. But I've told you if we see a sustained break above the 38.5 cent level, then we have to assume that ADA is moving in a larger diagonal, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And then we've got 5 waves up at some point, maybe into the 50-cent region before we come down. That is when we can confirm that a lasting low has been established. Yes, it takes quite a bit of movement to confirm it, but it will already get more likely that ADA has bottomed above 27 cents, but that's not really a huge step in probabilities. What, in my opinion, will make a difference is the break above 38 cents. Until then, it is still very much, still the preferred scenario that we break down from here into the 15 to 20 cent region. But I have to say as well, that should Bitcoin now escalate higher, then we cannot ignore the effect on ADA. That's why we have an alternative bullish scenario on the chart. It's just that I think ADA couldn't do it alone. The pattern very much favors another bear market low, either from here or from that box. Going up more directly from here will first of all leave us with a fairly incomplete looking downside structure that will always bear the risk that even after an extended corrective rally, we come down again, which would be similar to what we did back in here, back after the December rally, okay, which was also an extended correction, and we came down and made a new low. We printed a new low. At the time, it also looked like as if we could get to 15 cents. It made a quick rally, but then eventually came lower, okay? Didn't reach 15 cents. But, you know, such a corrective larger rally is, of course, always possible. But, you know, we will see. I mean, at the moment, this looks very much like a triangle. It could be something different. It could be something very annoying, I can tell you that. It could be an A wave, a B wave, yeah, and a 5-wave move in a C wave to form a larger corrective wave before coming down. That's why I say, to really say that we have bottomed, we need to see 5 up, 3 down. There's no way around it. Now, again, that doesn't mean you have to wait to make a trade until you have confirmation. You can always make a trade based on micro support and resistance levels and then just adjust your stop loss. You know, that's where we've got a disconnect between trading, strategy, and analysis. But yeah, these are the key levels I'm watching. 23.7 cents, 27. This is going to provide us with a lot of info about how the price should move in the coming weeks. If we see a break above 27, then it should send us first to 30 to 34. Why is this range so important? Let's just remind ourselves, or anybody who's new on this channel. It is basically a target for this Elliott wave triangle E wave. We typically say that a target for an E wave is roughly between the 38.2 and the 61.8 extensions. So it doesn't mean it couldn't go higher. Even in an E wave, it could go a little higher. What it must not do is break above that 38.5 cent level, because that would invalidate the Elliott wave triangle as it is. But this is the area of probability, you could say, an area of interest where the price has to make a decision. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.